What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela Altieri. If this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. The background's hectic. There's a lot going on in my house and it makes me nervous to film this. But today I'm filming my Boxycharm unboxing try on. So if you're interested in how I got this look and what's in my box, then let's get it.
walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. That's what they all say, yeah.
Okay. So let's start with what I did not try on. Sula Skincare Star Power Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask Set of 2. Clear skin, zero irritation. Our acne gel contains 2% salicylic acid to clear up acne, prevent breakouts, and brighten marks left by past scars. I'm not going to try these on now, but when I'm feeling like I need a mask, maybe after second round of midterms, I'll use it. Then we have the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder. I showed it before. This is what it looks like. I really like this palette. Will I use it often? No. But it's very pretty pops of color. I've been wanting to try out her formulas, and I'm very happy to have this. I think it's beautiful. Just a little up close. I put lashes on and everything. I have Lashaholic luxury lashes on Instagram, also from Boxycharm. So I really want to try out her formulas. I even had her latte palette in my Sephora cart in hopes to get it eventually, which after trying this I would love to have because they have a lot more shades that I would personally wear. The shades I'd most wear in this palette, probably this. It's not like metallic, it's very diamondy. These two transitions, this is a lot more orange, like she's orange, okay. And this, really like this is a nice cool tone. Wasn't expecting to like it. Oh, and then the pamphlet, thank you. I have the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Press Highlighter in Vanilla Quartz. This surprised me when they sneak peeked the shades they would have. I really wanted Champagne Pop, but wow. Wow, this is so pretty, and I did not expect that. The packaging is stunning. Stunning, very prismatic. Love that. It's so pretty. And it looks gorgeous. It kind of has like a peachy pink golden shift. But so pretty. So happy to have this. Oh my gosh. This is the Kypris pamphlet. Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. This, I wouldn't wear this under my makeup again necessarily. Definitely as skincare, it was kind of thick. Maybe I used too much, but I'm definitely happy to have this. And it's $90. I paid $25 for my box. $90, and I love skincare, so. But I don't love paying for skincare. So very, very happy to have this, and I will be using this after I wash it off my face. And then this is the 2-piece brush set. It says it's for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the foundation brush, which is this guy, has an oval base with precise, to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. Now, in essence, I thought this would be cool, the handle. I'm missing one now. Great, love that. I thought this would be cool, but it just ends up hurting more. Like, I just prefer a regular handle. This is an e.l.f. brush I use every day, $3 brush. Oh, and these retail for the 2-pack, I guess. $35. I'm not paying $35 for this. I'm not using these. Like, I don't know what it is. I think it's too dense. I didn't like this for concealer or whatever it was meant to be. My favorite foundation brush, really the only brush I use and I would repurchase, is the Sephora Multitasker Face and Concealer Brush 232. This is the side I use for foundation. This is what I use for concealer. They're dense, but they're still movable. They still have, you know, slip to them. These are not it. I tried out the Becca foundation because they give a complexion sample pack to see like your skin tone. I thought I didn't like this foundation. I thought it was like super dry, but it might have been the brushes, because then, I mean, the samples were not enough. Those are like, that's like shade match you. So I put on my Pure foundation, which is my favorite, the 4-in-1 Selfie. And then I tried to blend it with this, and I quickly stopped blending it with this. I did not like this. I tried the concealer with this brush. Didn't like it. There's a hair out here. There's this hair right here. And it was like in my eye. I don't like them. I do not like them. What will they do with them? Probably give them away, because this ain't it, chief. No. Oh, so yeah, and then we got this Becca. What is this? Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I don't even know. Do I like this? Let me get a close up. Let me get a close up. Mind you, I put on my Pure foundation, and the only primer I used was the Glow Serum. As of right now, it looks nice, but I don't know if it's that foundation on its own. Like, I can't say if I like that foundation or not. That's all I gotta say on that. Overall, I'm very happy with this month's box. I love the eyeshadow palette. I love the Glow Serum. I love the highlight. And I love sheet masks, so I will be trying that later on my own free time. The brushes clipped, nope, not using them ever again. Just because like when you find something in your makeup routine that just makes it harder to put on makeup, why would you use it? I'm not using that. But I love this look. Like, I looked at the purple, like, I don't wear purple, but I love it. And I'm very happy about it. Pop a color with the green. I use just about every color except the black shimmer. So yeah, this was November's Boxycharm look and try on. I'm very happy with it. If you like this video, hit the like button down below. Comment what you got in your Boxycharm this month, or if you're thinking about getting Boxycharm. I hope you can hear everybody in the background. Yeah, let me know if you're interested in buying or subscribing to Boxycharm, because I personally think it's worth it. I paid $25 to get 3 things that I know I'm going to use. Well, 2 things I know I'm using over and over. 1 beautiful eyeshadow palette, and 2 masks that I'll use when I need to relax and have a spa day. But yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post on Sundays. I might miss a Sunday because this semester is getting crazy. I'm in the home. I'm not even in the home stretch. I'm just counting down the days to Thanksgiving. There's a lot going on. But I really wanted to film this video to get it up as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye. Let me back the fuck up first. Okay. What do we do? What do we do? It's not even nice. So you're. Could you? And I love face masks. Face masks.